Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Deals. Today we're diving into an awesome upgrade for your Raspberry Pi using an SSD instead of a microSD card. If you've ever faced slow boot times, SD card failures, or just want a faster and more reliable Raspberry Pi, then this video is for you.
So what's this all about? So the Raspberry Pi SSD kit for Raspberry Pi 5 bundles the high-quality Raspberry Pi SSD with the M.2 HAT+. It's available in two sizes. We've got the 256GB and we have the 512GB versions as well. And just for clarity, the 256GB version is available at launch while you're approved resellers such as at Pineberry, and we also have the 512 variant, and that's going to be available to pre-order from launch and available in November. Specifications: so the HAT is, as you would expect, it's the regular HAT Plus size, and you can simply slot on top of your Raspberry Pi 5. It's been designed to work with the official active cooling kit as well, so you can have your fan and it's not disturbed by this. And you can see there we've got the two different sizes, and they're slightly faster if you get the 512 gig version. So the two sizes come with different speeds. The 256GB version can do 40k IOPS, which is random reads, and 70k IOPS for random writes. And the 512 version can do a little bit faster than that. It can do 50,000 IOPS, whereas it can do 90,000 IOPS for the random writes. And the official SSD comes in the 2230 form factor. So it's officially branded, so you're getting all the kind of guarantees and high quality you'd expect from Raspberry Pi. It's guaranteed to work with the Raspberry Pi 5, and not all the SSDs that are out there on the market are compatible, and some of those are also of dubious quality from a reliability and durability perspective. So you're getting the highest quality SSD from Raspberry Pi. And the kit includes everything you need. So it's got the M.2 HAT+, includes a 60mm stacks for headers, the spacers, the screws, and to enable the fittings on the Raspberry Pi 5. And it also has space for the Raspberry Pi active cooler, so it stands kind of proud of that.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Raspberry Pi tips and tech projects. Let me know in the comments. What are you using your Raspberry Pi for? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.